Welcome back to Imagine the Art Design. Today, we've got a really exciting journaling prompt, something that's going to take you out of this world and into the stars. We're talking about the infinite universe, endless possibilities, and tapping into that cosmic energy. So grab your journal, and let's get started. Today's prompt is all about getting inspired by the universe. Picture yourself floating through the stars. What do you discover in the vastness of space, and how does it make you feel? This prompt is all about letting your imagination run wild and thinking beyond the everyday. It's a perfect way to kickstart creativity, gain fresh perspectives, and maybe even spark some new ideas you haven't thought of before. Why is this prompt so exciting? Because the stars symbolize endless potential. Just like the universe, your creativity is limitless. Journaling like this helps you think bigger, push boundaries, step outside your comfort zone, and really explore what's possible. When you're floating through space, the only limits are the ones you set for yourself. So let's leave those limits behind today. Alright, here's how you can dive into this prompt. Imagine you're soaring through the cosmos. No gravity holding you back. What do you see first? Bright stars? Distant planets? Or maybe something even more mysterious? Let your mind explore every corner of this cosmic world. Here are a few quick ways to get your thoughts flowing. Write about the first thing you discover out there. Is it a new planet, a glowing nebula, or maybe even a cosmic event you've never imagined before? How do you feel floating in this space? Do you feel energized by the freedom, or does it make you reflect on something deeper? What lessons does the universe have to offer? Maybe it's about embracing change, thinking bigger, or letting go of things that no longer serve you. If you want to take it up a notch, try this. Imagine meeting a celestial guide or an alien being. What do they teach you about yourself or your journey? Write about that encounter and see where it takes you. If you're ready to take your journaling up a notch, why not add a little cosmic flair? My bright, celestial-themed journal kits are the perfect way to visually inspire your space journey. I've got links in the description below, so check them out if you want to make your journaling experience even more fun and creative. Now it's your turn. Grab your journal and let yourself float through those stars. What did you discover? Did this prompt spark any new ideas or help you see things in a different way? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the creative energy going. And if this video gave you that boost of inspiration, make sure to like this video. There's so much more to explore. Let's do it together.